Hi guys, it's me, Britty Kitty, again. I am making this video because I want you to do me, Britty Kitty, a huge favor. It would mean the world to me if you could please RT this exact video, but not only this one, the link that is going to be attached with this video. It is for the most amazing British guy that I possibly could know on this earth, next to One Direction, but he is amazing. Please RT the links. Daniel DeBorg. He does have a Twitter at Daniel DeBorg. That will be on here too. Please go subscribe him on YouTube. I have the link to his page. He did an amazing cover to Pusher Love Girl by Justin Timberlake, and that is one of my favorite songs, and the fact that he did it makes it 100% times better. Sorry I am rushing and going crazy right now. I am actually supposed to be leaving in the car right now with 20 girls that I invited over to Flash Mob Walmart for Red Nose Day. So sorry I'm rushing, but I just want to give a huge shout out to him. You did amazing. I love, 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 love your video. Please guys, RT this. It means the world. He would love it. He's funny. He's amazing. Check him out. Subscribe him. RT. Please go vote for him for the mixtape. Best R&B mixtape of 20. Oh my god. Just go, please. The link will be on here too. I will have all the links. Got any questions, ask me. I know a lot of you have been commenting on Tumblr and Facebook for the links, and I will get those. They'll be on this video. If you have any more questions, ask me. He's on Twitter. It's simple. Share, RT, etc. the video. I got it on my Tumblr page, my Instagram. Oh yeah, he has an Instagram too. I'll hook you up with that. He follows me. Thank you for that, by the way, Daniel. I love you so much. That was the best day of my life. He followed me during English class, and I got my phone taken away, but it was still the best day of my life. Sorry I look really crappy. I was running around being crazy because I was excited for the video, and I have a whole bunch of girlfriends over and we're hanging out, and they're calling me right now, so I have to go, guys, but RT, share. He's on Facebook. I have all the links. The cover's amazing. You'll love him. For all those girls out there that love British guys, oh my god, you'll love him. He is the... Okay. He can kill... He's just... Yeah. Okay. Anyway. Please, 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 RT. I don't know what else to say, but I will have all the information on this video. I made the video because someone told me to, and my girlfriends were like, just make a video to post on your blog, because I have this blog, and I have a lot of followers. I have more followers on my blog than I do on Twitter, so I figured that would help, and it is helping. Please, 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 guys, I'm doing this for this competition that he's doing, and he's calling his fans, and I really would like him to call me, because I really do love him. He's like, I fangirl over him, and not a lot of people know. Actually, no, there is a lot of people that know him, but then there's that other half of the world that is crazy and don't know him. So if you're one of those people, look at this, look at the links, RT the links, subscribe him on YouTube, follow him on Instagram. You will not be unsatisfied. You will be more than satisfied. You will be satisfied with all of this. He has a lot of this and a lot of this. So go, 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 go. And he has a lot of this and the singing, and he's just amazing. He's funny, he's sweet. Thanks again for following me. That was the best day ever. My mom's really jealous though. She's kind of scaring me because she's like freaking out in the kitchen right now listening to your song over and over again. And literally I was blasting it on my surround sound, and the neighbors came over and they're like, oh, who is this? And I was like, Daniel DeBorg, you gotta listen. And then her daughter came over and she's like, oh my god, I love him. And then she got on Twitter and started uploading videos and stuff. So yeah, that was awesome. I'm sorry I'm ranting, but I really gotta go, and please just RT, and yeah, call me crazy. I love you guys. I love you, Daniel. I hope you see this. That would be kind of cool, but it'd be kind of crappy at the same time because I look really gross. You might be like, oh my god, this girl's weird, but I'm trying to help you out. I really want you to call me, but even if you don't call me, I really don't care. I just really, really want people to notice you because you deserve to be noticed. You're amazing. He's amazing, guys. Check him out. My mom's calling me. I really gotta go. I love you. Thanks for all my followers. I have 761 followers, and I really appreciate that. I know that's not a lot for some people, but to me it's a lot, and I'm grateful for it. And so thanks to that. And a lot of you are RTing my statuses right now for Daniel DeBorg. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. Just keep commenting. RT, I said that already. Blah. Okay, I love you guys. I love you, Daniel. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thanks for following me again. I keep repeating the same thing over and over again. Yeah, I really gotta go, but I will be making my other video, and for all of you that like my status for shoutouts, I will shout you out. Follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Facebook. It's all the same name, at BrittyKitty247. Don't forget the underscore in the middle. The B in Britty and the K in Kitty are capitalized. 247 underscore in between, at BrittyKitty247. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget what I said. The link is on the video. Go. I love you. Mwah. Thanks, guys. Bye.